Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Today's video is hopefully going to be a helpful one to you. We got this broken lens here that we're going to repair, and instead of getting a new one and hopefully save you guys some money, this can be done on all kinds of different lights, not just tractor lights. So let's get into today's video, and like I said, I hope I save you a couple bucks. So we got this broken tail light here on our Maxim tractor, and it's just the lens itself. The fixture's still good. So I tried to find a used one. I contacted 3 different used tractor places and no luck. So I tried looking through CNH now, Case International, New Holland, whatever. They no longer make these, the fixture or the lens or anything. So that's not available new in the US. I reached out on Facebook to a group I'm in, and some guys directed me to a website from, I don't remember if it was Europe or the UK. You can get the European version. They give you the whole assembly here, not just the lens. And shipped to me, it was around $100 or just over $100 for this whole thing. And all I need is the lens. So I looked at a bunch of different options. I could not find an aftermarket light fixture to take this place. It's kind of an oddball size, so this is what I came up with. On the old Amazon, they have what's called an auto lens repair kit. This particular kit, I forget how much it was. I think it was like 14 or 15 bucks. It has, of course, instructions, but it comes with 3 lenses here. Oops, I took one out already. Sorry about that. So it comes with 3 different lenses. You've got like this amber yellow, you got a clear lens, and you have the red lens. So they're a little bit, I don't want to call them flimsy, but they're designed actually for all types of lens repair. So if you have like a tail light or whatever that's rounded, these are designed to sort of flex around there. They have a coating on the back, a little piece you peel off here, and they're sticky on the back to stick to your lens and repair it. Now, I will tell you that a lot of the reviews I read on these said that the stickiness on the back of the lens was not very good, and if you had a really curved lens, they didn't want to stick. That didn't bother me for my application. However, I still think these are a good choice for a repair if you have an expensive lens and don't want to replace it or don't have the money, but moisture is going to get in there and ruin your fixture. All you have to do would be to peel the back off, check your fit, get some clear Gorilla Glue, and just glue the thing on there. Don't worry about the adhesive on the back of this not being sticky. Gorilla Glue will hold this on there, absolutely no problem. So don't worry about that. But I think this is a great solution. So we either could use the red one here and cut that out. This particular one has a orange corner in the back of it. So we're going to take this amber color one, and we're going to take this apart, and we're going to cut a piece basically to glue in here to take up the spot of where that one broke out. So that's what we're going to work on now. Okay, so here is our piece that we're working with. Take these screws out so I don't lose them. And that's just the cover, so we can set that aside for a minute. But here's the broken lens. We're going to clean this up, and you can see here, that's where we're going to fit our amber piece into. So let me get working on that, and I'll show you what I come up with. Okay, so here's the light on the other side, the lens that we're kind of trying to duplicate, and I'll show you the one on the other side. Took me about 15 minutes farting around with the thing to kind of get it pretty close to where I want it. So let me show you that one. Okay, so here's the repair job on this side. So obviously what I ended up having to do, the amber section on this one is a little bit bigger than the amber section on the other one. because I needed something for this to adhere to. Originally I was kind of hoping to cut a piece to put in there and then have it be right where the brake was, but I couldn't quite do that because of the way it was broken. It was kind of jagged and not an even break, and I didn't want to break the thing even more, trying to cut it out, make it even. And then there's like a reflector here on this side, so it just worked better to do it this way. So again, doesn't match the other side perfectly, but I think it's going to do it. Seals it up. They're going to look pretty much the same. When you're 10 feet back, you don't even notice the difference. I will say though, what I did do here with this lens material, because it's thin and meant to do repairs, and I didn't have a lens behind it, I actually flipped one on the inside over so the two sticky sides were together, and I doubled it, because it's not really meant to be a lens material as a sole material. It's meant to repair a crack or a hole. So I doubled it up, and that makes it a little bit thicker, and not only does it look a little nicer, but it's a little sturdier. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps up this little repair here. Once again, you know, for 15 bucks, you know, it saved me, well, it probably saved me $90. I think, like I said, the whole assembly was over $100 shipped to me, and I just needed the lens. So once again, you know, I'm not sponsored by these folks at all, but this was the only kit that I could find. I think they had two sizes, mind you, but from the same company, just to kind of give you an idea what that is. So once again, I used some Gorilla Glue behind here. I took the heat gun to it and just kind of dried it out. And this lens also has a curve in it, so putting just the tiniest bit of heat to it allowed the plastic to just sort of bend a little bit easier and almost melt into position. So be careful doing that if you do. If anybody else has done any kind of repair like this and knows of any place to get a thicker actual lens material that you could cut down, or a different kit, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'd appreciate it, but this is just what I could find to make this repair. And again, you can use it on cars, trucks, SUVs, UTVs, tractors, skid steers. You know, it's basically a generic kit for repairing lenses. So I'll let you know how everything holds up over time. But as of now, I mean, this is a good option if you can't find a replacement, or the replacement's too much money. So anyway, don't forget, if you have a different product, leave it in the comments down below. Tell me what you think of this repair. Thanks for watching, guys. Short video today. Again, just trying to do like a little money saver for you guys. And please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget the bell icon so you're notified of the upcoming videos. And that way you'll know whether this repair holds up or not, because I'll be sure to let you know. And hey, hope to catch you guys on the next video.